Got a job with a company, you're drilling for oil, just to make some change, living and working on the land.
Hey guys, this is Danny B's. We just did a video of Little B Man doing his sugar water. Please subscribe to Little B Man, I'll put it down in the description. But I'm going to be doing a framing video again. This is what we use. These SX5035 2mm staples for this nail gun. These staples, 200 units, it's an indoor-outdoor use, wide crown staples for this staple gun. So I'll put these down in the description for you guys. So I'm going to be doing a video of making these frames again. So I don't know if you guys got it as good. So what you do, step one, is get this, and then get this, put it in there, and then get this, and then put it in there. Yeah, so this is the top part, put them in the top part, and then this is the bottom part. It's hard. I got my yellow hammer for you guys. Wait, my yellow hammer? Well, not mine. Okay. Now, look at me. Hopefully I get the nail gun this time. I'll put this in the description as well. It's from Bunnings Warehouse. Okay, ready? Perfectly. How do Aussies say it? Perfectly. I got it now because I had to make my camera thing the other day. Perfectly. And here we go, last one. Cross your fingers. Got it. So now I'm gonna be doing a video of wiring them. This is what we use. I'll put that in the description. Ready? So here we do the next video right now. So I'm back again with the frames now, wiring them. So what you do, you put this in here. Sorry if I'm doing another video. I'm doing another video after this for you guys. And then you put it in here, around this, through here. I will be putting Little B Man in the description as well, so you guys can watch him doing the sugar water. We just did it like 20 minutes ago, his video. We'll upload tonight. When my video upload, Little B Man video will just be uploaded on YouTube or something. Well, not yet, but it'll be like in like half an hour. But please subscribe to Little B Man and me. Okay, nail gun, please. Don't shoot it. There's this nail gun again. I don't know how to use it. Hit the camera, of course. Now you get this little handy tool, and you just go. Pops goes a weasel. Old saying. And then you start on this side. Okay, where's the brick? There. Okay. I only use this brick, as you guys see in my other video, to hold this and stop going. Make sure it's tight. Like a kite. Okay. Okay. Now, other two staples. Wasn't watching with the first one. Don't video this me struggling. I'm just joking. Keep video. Because these things are hard. No, it's flying. Of course. And then what you do, cut this. Finish. There you go. And then next video is me going to be showing you little tips on this in a sec. So next video.